Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to get Roblox in Infinite Craft. Or to do that, we just need to put in here Earth and add wind to that Earth. We have dust, and on this, let's put another Earth in order to have planet. Let's put fire, we have sun, and on this, let's put another fire, we have solar. Then let's add planet to that, we have system, and on this right here, let's put fire, we have computer. Now in this, let's put another system, we have software, and on this, let's put earth, we have game. Now let's put computer to that, we have gamer, and then let's put it aside for now. Put earth right here and water, we have plant, and then in here, let's put wind, and then we have dandelion, and then let's add plant, and another plant right here, and then make a tree right here. So for now, let's merge them together and we have wish. Now let's add tree right here and then add them together. We have money. Then let's add dandelion and let's add plant. We have weed. In order to put dandelion, we have marijuana. Put marijuana to money. We have business. And on this business right here, add another business. We have corporation. Merge corporation with the gamer. We have microtransaction. Put game right here. And now we have pay to win. So since we already have this, let's put this aside for now. Then let's add fire right here, and then let's add water, we have steam. Then let's add another fire to that, we have engine. And let's put dust below that, and another dust for that, we have sand. Let's put sand to engine, we have sandbox. And let's add planet. On that sandbox, we have Minecraft, and then merge them together. Let's put them, and we have Roblox. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, just comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks!